3 is, why is it important in freelancing? Okay? Yung kay Ed, sobrang yung charisma niya. Yes. Okay, but Ed, too much of everything is toxic, remember? Ayun. So, why is it important in freelancing? Bakit napaka-importante ng charisma, guys? Kasi in a service-based business like us, sa freelancing or remote works or work from home, building the first impression is really important. So, paano ba nakikita kaagad yung isang tao? Nakikita kasi bigla yung itsura mo first, physically. Okay, second is yung demeanor mo. And of course, yung mga mga non-verbal and verbal cues mo. Of course, communication pag nakausap ka na. And of course, representation sa online mo. Kasali na din yun ngayon eh. Okay, so building that first impression is really important. So sabi ni Donna Faye, nasa 99.9 daw ang charisma niya. Wow, oozing. Diba? So, charisma, it is important in freelancing, guys, because it attracts clients and help you become unforgettable. Okay? So the more you stand out, the more your chances of winning. Okay? So the more you stand out, the more you becomes unforgettable, mas nagkakaroon ka ng brand recognition sa client. Okay? So just like, for example, si Gillian dito, yung isa nating participant. So si Gillian, sinend niya sa aming Discord yung kanyang Facebook page. So nung chinek ko yung hi Gillian. So exactly, we don't get a second chance in first impressions. Exactly. So nung chinek ko yung Facebook page ni Gillian, I was impressed kasi nakita ko ang ganda ng klase ng niche niya na ginagawa sa logo designs. If I'm not mistaken, Gillian, I think you're creating characters, sa mga brand, parang character avatars nila or something. So I was actually impressed. I like it. I like what he's doing. Okay? So yes, ma'am. Diba? So what I'm trying to say is, it helps you to become unforgettable because you only get one chance. So minsan, first impressions last. And sabi nga ni Gillian, wala na tayong second chance. So charisma, in some cases as well, if you're actually selling or marketing yourself as a freelancer, sabihin natin sa Fiverr, sa LinkedIn, or whatever, if you're joining Upwork, you can help you sell 5 times more than other person na walang charismatic personality. Okay? So, hindi ko yung sinabi, merong study yan. Okay? So, because if you're not making an impression, you're not making a great impression. Kasi ganito lang yan. It's not an impression. We need to make a great first impression. Okay? And if you're not making any impression at all, wala kang ginagawa sa client. Make sense? So, bakit siya importante? And personally, I call charisma as like the dynamite o parang siyang sweet spot ng social skills. Okay? So, social skills is very important. Nandun under yung charisma. Okay? So, for me, eto talaga yung sweet spot ng social skills. You need to develop this if wala kayo nito. Okay? So, having a charismatic personality will help you seal the deal. Yun lang. So, number 4. Okay, nandito na tayo. So, meat and potatoes. Margaret, okay, sige.